WhatsApp has been my primary messaging app for years for family chats, work groups, best friends, quick updates with my parents, and pretty much every important conversation in my daily life. If you have all used Meta AI just for answering questions or helping with simple tasks, you're missing out on its best features, especially when it comes to creating and editing photos. Meta AI in WhatsApp can now create images of you, generate group photos, edit your existing pictures instantly, remove people or objects, turn your photos into stickers, enhance your status updates, customize chat themes, and even translate text while you're traveling, just by snapping a picture. It's far more capable than many people realize. And today, I'm collaborating with WhatsApp to walk you through the most powerful and genuinely useful ways Meta AI is transforming how we create, edit, and share images right inside our everyday chats. I just want to add, only messages or photos that mention at Meta AI or when people choose to share with Meta AI can be read by Meta. Meta can't read any other messages in your personal chats. So let's jump into everything you can do with Meta AI inside WhatsApp. If you're not sure where to find Meta AI inside WhatsApp, you've come to the right place. Most people see the icon but aren't sure what it does. When you open WhatsApp, look at the bottom right corner, you will see the blue and purple circle. That's your dedicated Meta AI entry point. Tap it and it opens your Meta AI chat. Think of this as your dedicated space inside WhatsApp where you can get creative. This is where you can ask Meta AI to edit your photos, create new images of yourself, answer questions about the picture you upload, or help you enhance existing images. There's also a second way to use Meta AI. Just tap the search bar at the top of your WhatsApp and type what you need. Meta AI will help you instantly without you needing to leave that screen. This is especially useful when you want a quick answer, but for image-related tasks like creating photos or editing them, you will want to use the dedicated Meta AI chat. For this video, I'm focusing on everything image-related, whether you want to create a unique profile photo, design a new group chat icon, edit the family pictures you send to your parents, or transform your selfie into an entirely different style. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's dive into what is honestly one of the most fun and expressive feature inside WhatsApp: AI image creation using Imagine Me prompt. Inside your Meta AI chat, just type Imagine Me followed by any description you want. That's it. WhatsApp will then generate images based on your description. For example, imagine me on a beach vacation during sunset. Meta AI instantly creates multiple versions. If I want a specific vibe, I can say make the sky more pink or add palm trees. Or make the lighting look like golden hour. Imagine me as a cartoon character. It transforms your photo into a fun, animated style, and the results are surprisingly cute. You can also adjust it further by saying make the color softer or give it a watercolor style. The first time you use this feature, WhatsApp may ask you to take a few setup photos so it can generate images that actually look like you. And just so you know, this part is optional. Meta AI won't access any of your photos unless you choose to upload them. You can use these generated images as your profile pictures. Let's say you're inspired by space. You can tell Meta AI, imagine me floating in space with galaxies behind me. And this one is my favorite. For my family group, I might say, imagine a cozy cartoon family portrait that represents all of our personalities. And now group chat has an icon that actually feels like our family, not just a default picture or a random photo someone cropped. Now, let's talk about something that's genuinely helpful in real life: editing your existing photos with Meta AI. We all share tons of photos on WhatsApp, especially with family. For me, my parents are abroad and we send photos almost daily. But a lot of time, there is something in the picture that I want to change. Maybe someone walked into the frame, maybe the lighting is off, or maybe I want to add some fun element before sending it. With Meta AI, you can upload a photo to your Meta AI chat and simply describe what you want. Meta AI does the rest for you. I upload my photo and ask Meta AI to remove all the vehicles and people behind me, and it does the work for me. If I want to send a holiday update, add festive decorations and warm lights around us. You can also get more creative, add balloons and confetti so this looks like a birthday celebration. Add a winter background, turn this into a comic style illustration, make this look like a movie poster. Meta AI can also animate photos that you share, like share a photo of you and ask Meta AI to animate it. Then save and share in your chats or status to celebrate a specific holiday. So cool, right? The convenience of editing right inside WhatsApp is what makes this feature so special. You don't have to switch apps, save drafts, export, import, or deal with layers. Everything happens in the conversation with Meta AI, and you can immediately forward the improved photo to your family chat. Meta AI can also help you understand a photo, not just edit it. And this part is incredibly useful in day-to-day situations. For example, if someone sends a picture of glasses and you're curious about the style, you can upload that photo to Meta AI chat and ask, what style of glasses are these? If you're traveling and you take a picture of the menu in another language, you can ask, translate this and show me the vegan options. If someone sends a picture of a sign or notice that you don't understand, you can ask, what's written on this sign? And one of my favorite examples, when someone sends a picture of a cake that they are eating, I can upload it and ask, how do I bake this? Meta AI then gives me the full recipe and I can bake it right away. Meta AI also helps you customize your video calls, chat themes, and status updates, making all of them look a lot more expressive and personal. When you're on WhatsApp video call, tap the magic wand icon, go to Backgrounds, choose Create with AI. Then describe whatever environment you want behind you. For example, a soft pastel room with plants, a sunny beach with waves, a clean professional office background. WhatsApp will generate multiple variations and you can pick the one that matches the mood of the call. You can also customize your chat themes with Meta AI. Open any group, tap Chat Theme, choose Create with AI. Then describe the theme. For travel group, tropical island with palm trees. For a best friends group, minimal neutral aesthetic with soft tones. For a gaming group, futuristic neon theme. It instantly redesigns your chat to match the vibe of your group. This is one of those features that I have used the most. Tap Add Status, AI Images, describe the image. This is especially helpful when you want to celebrate holidays, share weekend plans, show something that you're excited about. For example, add Christmas tree and lanterns to this picture, or add weekend getaway with an airplane icon. Meta AI can create a brand new image by adding decoration, texts, or themes. So, those are the most powerful and genuinely useful image features of Meta AI inside WhatsApp. You can create, edit, ask questions, customize video calls, design chat themes, and enhance status in just a few seconds. It's fun, expressive, and honestly makes WhatsApp feel like it's leveled up. If you're someone who sends photos all day long, family pictures, celebrations, moments with your kids, or even simple updates, these tools will make your chat feel more personal and more creative. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.